In this video, we'll see how to send your availability to OTA channels, such as Booking.com or Airbnb. To do this, open Vik Channel Manager and go to Bookings, then Bulk Actions, then Copy Availability. As you can see under the Bulk Actions menu, you'll find two options: Copy Availability and Rates Upload. In this video, we'll focus on Copy Availability, which allows you to push your inventory to your connected OTAs. In other words, it updates how many units are available for each day of the year. All the other settings, such as pricing, minimum stay requirements, booking restrictions, and advanced booking rules, are managed through the Rates Upload bulk action, which we'll cover in a separate video. Now let's see how to send your availability. On this page, you'll find all the rooms that are synchronized with at least one OTA channel. Under each room name, you'll see a button that lets you select or deselect that room. This allows you to choose exactly which rooms you want to update. By default, all rooms are selected. Moving to the right, you'll find the date range for the update. By default, the system is set to update availability for the next 365 days, or 1 year. You can freely change both the start and end dates as needed. We recommend not updating more than 1 year at a time, as larger requests may take longer to process. For example, if you'd like to update availability for 2 years, it's better to run 2 separate bulk actions, one for each year. This keeps the requests lighter and easier to process. You'll also notice the number of days displayed below the date selector. By clicking on it, you can apply the same date range to all rooms at once, which can save a lot of time when managing multiple rooms. Finally, you can choose which channels to update. When you see a check mark next to a channel name, it means that channel is selected and will be included in the update. Channels without a check mark will be excluded. Once you're ready, simply click the Submit Availability Inventory Copy button at the top of the page to start the bulk action. The system will process the request and send the selected availability to the chosen OTA channels. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a response indicating whether the update was successful or if any errors occurred. And that's all for the Copy Availability bulk action.